Hi guys, my name is Maipelo Tshoso. I am 20 years old and I am 1.65 meters tall. My favorite supermodel will definitely, like former supermodel, will definitely be Tyra Banks because I feel that she takes modeling to a whole new level and beauty to a whole new level. And the one thing that I really admire about Tyra is that after finishing her whole modeling thing, she didn't just sit at home. She decided to actually like graduate like more models behind her. So that's the one thing that I admire about her. I also love Coco Rocha. I feel like she's like the queen of posing. She can do like 175 poses in like 1 second. I love her. And then my favorite designers would definitely be the polo guy, like Ralph Lauren. I love him so much. And then I also love the Louis Vuitton guys, and I just love them. Okay. And then the reason why I really want to go to Hollywood is that firstly, I am a very flexible person. I can fit into any environment. And then the other thing is that I learn fast. I'm a fast learner. And I love working with people, and I'm a people person. I love meeting new people and stuff like that. But last but not least, the one thing that reason why I really want to go to Hollywood is because I love modeling. I have loved modeling for as long as I can remember, and I believe that modeling is like a calling for me. You know, like I was born to do this, you know. And so going to Hollywood for me would really be like a dream come true because I can actually show the world what I can do at 1.65 meters tall and show the world what I know I can become. And that's just simply the best. And yeah, but you know, at the end of the day, I'm just a young girl with big dreams which you can make possible, because I know that I'm the next international supermodel to ever walk out of this continent.